welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for dropping by. Today it's not really an unboxing, but I wanted to just package it all up for you so you can see how it looked when it arrived. In December, Revolution had a sale on and I have some Christmas money and I got this, the Vault 2. This went down to £24 instead of £80, so I had to grab hold of it. So let's get into this. So it comes with a sleeve, as you see, and massive looking bar of chocolate. I would be all over that if I was chocolate, trust me. Anyway, so let's take this off. It's huge. I won't be doing any swatches today because I'm left-handed and it's just awkward. I tried filming this the other day with doing swatches and it just weren't working. So anyway, I will do some individual palettes if you would like to see that. So just drop a comment down below and say, oh, I'd like to see such a palette, and I'll do it for you. I have no problem with that. So right, let's get into this. So first up we have, I'll put this down here because that's going to be awkward, this white chocolate palette. Just look at that. Love this. I have been really enjoying this palette because it's got some absolutely gorgeous neutral shades. Really pretty. Really pretty palette. It has spongy applicators in these, but I always throw them away because they're useless. So anyway, there's a chocolate one, white chocolate, and this one is the fruit and nut palette. I like this one because it's one of the later palettes, and it's got all the name shades on the actual palette itself rather than them useless plastic, very easy to lose things they usually insert. But oh, that's incredibly gorgeous. And then purples, I haven't used this one that much, which needs to be done. So if you want to see a look with that, I'm not the best at makeup, I'll tell you now, but I'll try my best. The next one is the cookies and cream palette. Oh, by the way, these palettes smell divine. They smell of chocolate. This one smells of cookies and cream and, you know, really gorgeous. As you can see, another palette with the names on. I mean, them shades are beautiful. Next up, I've got the chocolate orange palette. This really does smell like, see, useless. This really does smell like, yeah, definitely chocolate orange. Ooh. So anyway, yeah, I've been in there with this. You can see that shade. Gorgeous. I've not worked with it enough. I really haven't. So that needs to be done. Next up is, when I get that out, chocolate mint palette. Another useless piece of paper, and that thing could go over there because, quite frankly, they're crap. Oh, look at that. I'm quite surprised with this one though, that there's only one matte green. Could have done with a few more, really. But it's a very nice palette, stunning. And the shades, as you'd expect from Revolution if you've used the product before, they're just gorgeous, they're soft, they're blendable. Some shades you might find might be a bit patchy, but you can go over them a lot and they'll be fine. The next one is the Marshmallows palette. You're expecting eyeshadows here, aren't you? I can tell. Unless you've seen other videos on this, and then that would be a pointless comment. And all those blushes. I particularly enjoyed the marshmallow, and what's the pink one called? Well, gorgeous shades. I've dipped into that once, but that one's going to be too dark for me, but it can be used as a bronzer, or the way I do bronze kind of contour. I'll work my own way out with that one. So, here's the milk chocolate palette, and this is stunning, because you can see I've been really going in with this. That one's such a nice bronzer. It says contour, but I've been using it, as you see with my videos, I'll kind of do a bronzer contouring. It works for me. And this, I use this as a setting powder to set my eyes. Somebody said in the review, a matte shimmer, a matte highlighter. Really? Who has matte highlighters? I mean, the word highlight is actually shiny. So anyway, the next one I have is a golden elixir, as Neil told me it was pronounced, because I've been calling it elixir. And just look at that. And this is beautiful. I will do a couple of swatches there for you. Look how stunning that is. That is incredible. I mean, honestly. And I haven't got a wipe. Oh well, carry on. The next ones we have are these lip glosses. Oh, these are beautiful. I love these. I usually go in with this one. In fact, this lives in my coat pocket. So, if I'm ever out anywhere and I need a lip gloss, pop it on. So, I really love this one. And this one is, oh, and they smell amazing. This one is the raspberry lip gloss. It's absolutely amazing. And that will go back into my coat pocket after this video. This one is the toffee lip gloss. Also, I will show you the swatches properly in a minute. And let me just give that another go. Oh, that is definitely toffee. Oh, how did it do that? Can you get the smell in there? That's amazing. This is the marshmallow one. And these glosses are not sticky in the slightest. And the pigment is stunning, as you will see when I show you. It's absolutely stunning. So good. So anyway, there's the raspberry, toffee and marshmallow. They are gorgeous. So anyway guys, this is the Vault 2. I hope you enjoyed this little video about it. If you do want any of the palettes reviewed individually, or swatches, or an eye look, of which I will give my best shot, please let me know in the comments and I will do that for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please press that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you again soon. Bye.